Contestant number 4 this afternoon is Vaimoana Akesa Lois Holeva Malupo, Miss FIA Dance Academy, and she'll be sharing with us this afternoon on the topic of technology and innovation. Ko ia kore atu pe, ke mo paspasi mai Miss FIA Dance Academy, ai e whakahoko e ne presentation whekau aki e teknolosia mo e whakalakalaka whakaonoponi.
Evolution of technology and innovation through traveling from Ewa to Tonga from between the years of 1964 and 2024. Maloelele and warm Pacific greetings to you all. Hiki. I'd like to welcome Her Honourable Federica Tuita, fellow judges, auditors, my fellow contestants, and family and friends. Let me start off by asking you, what is technology? Well, technology is the scientific knowledge for practical purposes and application. It is the catalyst for innovation that leads to novel ways of problem solving. Innovation, on the other hand, is where we enhance or improve an existing idea, process, methods, services, or solution for a positive outcome. In simple English, innovation is where we implement new ideas to improve and increase the quality of life for our people in our kingdom. Not only does it evolve, like what you see in the play that we did, but it also contributes to change. A change in transportation, change in communication, and ultimately how we live our lives. For example, communication. Now I'm able to call my mom without touching my phone. Hey Siri, please call mom. Okay. There we go. You see, innovation enables problem solving. It provides a creative insight that allows you to look at things from a different perspective. Regardless of whether you are implementing a new product, refreshing a strategy, or you're finding an original way to stay ahead of competition. Now, despite all these, there are some drawbacks to technology and innovation. Most proposals require substantial funding, and the risk that these certain proposals will last over time is uncertain. You could have employees, stakeholders, and the community be quite reluctant due to innovation upsetting established processes and habits. People may be unwilling to accept change, and they may be willing to not adopt new technology. Tonga's Ministry of Infrastructure and Australia's National Transport Research Organisations have formalised a collaboration. on a strategic 10-year transport advisory program that focuses on the aviation sector, allowing a forward pathway for assets, performance, and management. This allows the progression of a positive pathway into enhancing our kingdom's livelihood and overall increase in our economic revenue. This is a major market for Tonga's socio-economic growth, and the MOI stated that the goal is to achieve a safer and more affordable domestic and international transport supporting growth of economic activity in the aviation sector while catering to ongoing traffic control. To conclude, although we have technologies here in Tonga, there is still room for improvement. There is still room for more technological enhancements, especially for our healthcare sector and our communications. Innovation is the epitome for success, but we need to remember that God has to be in the center of it all. God's timing is always the best, and I will leave you with this verse, Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse 1 and 11. To everything there is a season, there is a time for purpose, and God's time is always beautiful. Go ahead, Ben Malo.
Thank you. Put your hands together for Miss FIA Dance Academy. Vaimoana, Malupo, speaking on the topic of technology and innovation. We'll pass now over to the judging panel if they have any questions for contestant number 4.
Thank you, Miss FIA Dance Academy. What would be your advice to the youth of Tonga in regards to technology and innovation?
Thank you for your question. So technology and innovation work hand in hand with today's generation. My advice to the young youth in Tonga is that despite technology enhancing every day as we speak now, you also need to be mindful that you need to intertwine technology and your cultural roots. Technology is only supposed to implement or complement the original idea. So I recommend that the youth need to remain within our traditional and cultural backgrounds, and technology should only be like a catalyst to help them with their education.
Malop atmosphere. What a beautiful demonstration.
Thank you.
Of how technology is being used so far. Ko kutoka nga wia ke nga e ki koin he whanau e whanki telefoni me whanki mea koe ka hao tokoni ki he mātua ke whakahawhi nā tol mea nau ngau e hala aki o aonga e ke technology ke whakaanga e ke ako me uwhetuta ka koe kongani oku whia mao koe haha o tokoni o ka ke hoko koe miss hei lala ke whanau me ngai tamai me ngai whae atonga ke whakahawhi whanau me ngau e hala aki the technology malo.
Thank you for your question. So technology is all about change. It's all about how it changes our livelihood. And change can be scary, especially to our elders who are so used to traditional upbringings. Even though change is all around us and the technology is upgrading as we speak, my advice to the parents is don't shy away from technology. There are some negative and positive impacts of technology, just like there are many other aspects of life. But then what I'm trying to say is that the parents need to trust their kids and also trust in God. I remember a Bible verse, Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 and 6. Lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways acknowledge him and he will make your path straight. Go ahead, Vaimoana.